What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank from Bangin Gears on YouTube and Bangin Gears Garage on Facebook. This is video 4 in my 4-part series of cruising Ocean City in beautiful and today scorching hot Ocean City, Maryland. So this is the final video. Like I said, you guys all know I film all day, I do the editing all night, I drop a video every day while we're here at the event, and every video I make has a Bangin Gears giveaway in it. The first video had a Bangin Gears hat we're going to give away. Second video had a Bangin Gears fleece we're also going to give away. Yesterday's video had another Bangin Gears hat, and today there's going to be another Bangin Gears fleece. In order to be eligible to win in the giveaway contest, you need to like, comment, and subscribe on each video on YouTube. That'll get you in the running, and all the winners will be announced in a video I put out on June 2nd. It was a beautiful week. The weather held out great. Today, like I said, is scorching hot. I'm gonna get inside and do the editing now. So tonight I can hang out on the street and watch the show go by. And drive safe. Thanks for watching all of the videos. And we'll catch you in October at Endless Summer. Bye.
Kept it going for so long, so long. I don't know where I would be if we let it go. Cause every time we try to break it down and build again, yeah, every time we try to make up for something lost, you know, we're never letting go. This time we can reach the sky on a prayer. Standing there with someone new, cause it's been going so wrong for so long. Let's keep this dream alive, the art of letting go. Cause every time we try to make a stand and start again, yeah, every time we try to make up and make amends, you know, when push comes to shove, you know.